Press brakes, robotized cells, bending softwares, servos, shears. It's the high technology that distinguishes our products. Cells, bending softwares, servos, shears. It's the high technology that distinguishes our products. The press brake of the GBS-R series is our patented model. It revolutionizes the functioning concept of the traditional press brakes and can guarantee reduction of production cost as well as a constant quality of the final product through simple and efficient working processes.
The first cell was created for an important Australian company that produces electrical boxes. It is composed of one of our model GBS-R 100 press brakes, fitted with a sliding guide in front of the machine and by other servos, such as a sheet separator, a centering unit, 3 grippers specifically designed to meet the customer's requirements, and a sheet reverser. The GBS-R press brake differs from the traditional press brakes for its unique design, consisting of a top beam fixed to 4 side-guided columns, which slide on 8 ball bearings. The major benefits obtained through its use are the almost total elimination of typical piston friction, offset elimination of the bending axes, which is also typical of the traditional press brakes, constant movement precision of the top beam during descent and positioning, and an approach speed which is currently the fastest on the market. All this guarantees maximum reliability and a consequential extension of the machine's working life. The innovative design has led to further advantages, such as the positioning of the Z1, Z2 axes, or the back gauge fingers, is equal to the bending length. This is reduced on traditional press brakes due to the side frame. The modularity of the top beam allows the stroke to be increased, enabling deep box bending up to 1000 millimeters. The versatility of the structure, free from encumbrances, allows roll-form parts to be worked, which can be easily handled by the use of a bridge crane. Ecocompatible. On request, it is possible to make the machine even more encumbrance-free by removing the hydraulic group and eventually the electrical box from the machine, leading to a further reduction in noise level and greater comfort for the operator. The press brake has been integrated into the robotized cell thanks to a study carried out in collaboration with the company Systec from Sacile, our specialized partner. The possible configurations of a robotized cell depend on the type of pieces to be bent, the production lot, and the level of automation and autonomy required. The gripper deserves particular mention. In fact, it is one of the most important parts of a robotized cell, as it is mounted directly on the robot arm, and it is specifically designed to meet the needs of the individual customer. The robotized cell can be supplied with more than one gripper, which can be changed manually or automatically, depending on the customer's needs. Automation during the simulation of the bending phase has reached its highest level with GBS-R. Thanks to the offline software Obelix 3.0, it is possible to simultaneously program the robot and the press brake. The software verifies all the trajectories of the robot during simulation before starting with the actual production. This totally eliminates the risk of the robot colliding against the press brake or other parts of the machine. The use of a robotized cell leads to various advantages, such as an increase in production quality and quantity, a reduction in labor-related problems, and an increase in safety at work. All these aspects position the GBS-R press brake at the very top of its sector.